Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Raphael from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Let's start with the head first. Draw a circle. Draw an ellipse below the circle. Draw a curved vertical line to split the head structure. Draw eye mask. Draw eye socket. Draw eye socket. Draw eye. Draw eye. Draw mouth. Draw an ellipse below the head for the body shape. Draw a curved vertical line to mark center. Draw ellipse at the end to get the basic body shape. Draw circles to mark the leg and hand position. Draw tie for the eye mask. Draw a stick line for the leg position. Draw a stick line for the leg position. Draw thigh. Draw knee guard. Draw leg. Draw toes. Draw toes. Draw leg. Draw thigh. Draw knee guard. Draw leg. Draw a stick line for the hand position. Draw hand. Draw hand. Draw fingers. Draw twin-size sword handle. Draw twin-size sword. Draw shell. Detail the body. Detail the stick. Draw a stick line for the hand position. Draw hand. Draw hand. Draw fingers. Draw twin-size sword handle. Draw twin-size sword. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.